Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. There's no way to avoid the US election today, but there is other economic news. Today we start with data that shows factories expanding in almost all markets, some strength equity markets hadn't counted on. In the US, there were two PMIs released overnight. The widely watched ISM1 came in quite a lot better than expected, but the internationally benchmark market one was unchanged, recording a modest expansion. Data for US construction in September was positive, but much less so than expected. In China, their private factory PMI survey came with a better result than the official one, recording a good expansion in their factory sector. In fact, it is now near a 10-year high. Confirming that, excavator sales are up 65% in October on the back of rising investment in real estate and infrastructure. There's a sharp jump in orders and will help their November PMIs. And the crescendo for their Singles Day retail event, Double 11, isn't hurting either. And Taiwan's PMI rose and is expanding faster, and the Japanese PMI also rose, but it's still in a minor contraction mode. And later today, the Reserve Bank of Australia will release its monetary policy update, and there is market expectations of a rate cut there, down from 0.25% to 0.1%. The US Treasury 10-year yield is down 3 basis points today to just on 0.84%, and the price of gold has risen overnight, has risen by $13 to $1,892 an ounce. Oil prices have firmed marginally overnight, now just over $36 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just over $38 a barrel, but both are still near modern lows. And the Kiwi dollar is little changed this morning from this time yesterday at 66.2 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're a bit weaker at 94 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're firmer at 56.9 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is a little changed at 69.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.